Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to the virtual showroom. 2020 Hyundai Sonata Preferred. I bought 3 of them. I love these cars. Brand new, used. They've been selling so well for us. So let's do a quick walk around the outside. I'll show you some of the interior features. This one's finished in a stormy sea blue. Great color. Redesigned head to toe. Look at the trunk with the built-in spoiler. Man, it looks sharp. I love the back end of that Sonata. It's gorgeous. Look at the lines. It's almost like a fastback, like coupe. It's really cool. Push button start, proximity key. You got that black trim on the bottom, gives it a little bit of sporty feel. Turn signal indicators, awesome. Alloy wheels, Michelin tires, lots of cool features. Look at the beefy grille, looks great. Hood, roof, windshield, all in nice shape to be expected with a car. Excuse me, with this type of kilometers. Really shows well. Back seats, I mean, I don't even know if anyone's ever sat in the back of this car. It's in such nice shape. You got a plug-in down there. You got power windows on the back, which is to be expected. You got proximity key here. Push button start. Let's open that trunk really quick. Forgot to show you the trunk. Good sized trunk. We keep the mats back here, keep them nice and clean. Look at the size of that trunk, massive trunk. Folding rear seats, so if you need it's got a massive trunk, but if you need a little bit extra space, you can definitely fold those seats down flat. Get a little bit extra room for a project at home. Look at I love the lights on this vehicle, they're gorgeous. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got locking rear windows as well, which is a good safety feature for the kids. You got speakers here. You got an adjustable driver's seat. You can adjust your interior illumination. You've got your trunk release. You got traction control. You got electric parking brake. You have adaptive cruise. So many standard features. If we jump in, you've got Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition on the left. You got all your cruise controls on this side. I'm just going to fire it up really quick. You can also toggle through, set some of the settings to your specs. So again, you can personalize the vehicle, which is really neat. What else you got? You got drive modes. You've got an electric parking brake. Really cool shifter now. It's all kind of built in, very fluidic. You've got your USB and auxiliary plugins down there. You've got heated seats on both sides. You've got a heated steering wheel. I'm just going to move the car really quick here. Going for a little drive here. Sorry, I had to move the car, someone else needed to get by. So again, like I said, heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. You got heated steering wheel, so some really cool features. Temperature gauge, really easy to use, front and rear defrost. We move up, you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So again, the nice features about those, plug your Apple phone in, plug your Android phone in, have access to have access to nav, traffic reports, anything like that, your apps, your music. You could even be in park and maybe check out some photos or some videos. Again, some really cool stuff that's built into this vehicle. And of course, a massive backup camera, which is a great safety feature, especially in today's day and age. So again, lots of standard features. Everything's in really nice shape, which is to be expected with a car of this year and this type of kilometers. Sonata, you won't go wrong. You're gonna love the Sonata if you get into it. So again, 2020 Sonata Preferred, low kilometers, lots of features. The right combo. I love the color. Call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this 2020 Sonata or anything else you see in stock. You can always just stop by, book an appointment. SeawayHyundai.com, shop 24/7 for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs.